An early morning attack on a home in Farmview Green Pond in St. James on Saturday has left two men, believed to be brothers, dead. The men has been identified as 20-year-old Odain Thompson, a housekeeper, and Javon Thompson, a chef of Farmview Green Pond in the parish. Reports from the police are that about 2:08 a.m., residents heard explosions. The police were summoned and the men were found in the house. Both were reportedly found with a number of bullet wounds to their body. The police continue their investigations into the matter. William Webb, the owner of the local herbal drink Baba Roots, was reportedly gunned down at his home in Darliston, Westmoreland on Sunday morning. Deputy Superintendent of Police Adrian Hamilton, in charge of operations in the Westmoreland Police Division, confirmed the incident to Observer Online on Sunday morning. According to police reports, 4 gunmen invaded Webb's room through a window at about 3:45 a.m. and shot him after a brief conversation. Law enforcement officers stated that the gunmen also ransacked his room. Webb was taken to Savannah Lamar Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead. More details to come. There was another bloody night in St. Elizabeth after 2 men were killed in separate incidents in the South Central Parish, increasing the total to 6 the number of people murdered in the parish in the last 48 hours. The latest incidents happened in Nain and New River near Santa Cruz in the parish. In the first incident in New River, a man was shot and killed. According to police sources, residents heard loud explosions at approximately 11 p.m. The man's body was found in his yard with gunshot wounds about 6 a.m. the following morning. Then in Nain, a man was chopped to death during an alleged altercation with another man early Saturday morning. Residents say about 6 a.m. the victim accused the other man of hurling stones on his housetop. An argument developed and a machete was used to fatally chop the man. He was pronounced dead at hospital. Following the recent flare-up of violence in the parish, Everton Fisher, the People's National Party councillor for Balaclava Division, appealed to residents to amicably resolve conflicts.